Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, No Onions Allowed, my keto kitchen, and today we will be making beef broccoli, or some people call it broccoli beef, but I think you get the picture. So here's what we'll need. We will need, the recipe calls for soy sauce. So soy is an inflammatory property, so we replace it with amino acids. What this is protein from soy. Okay, so you'll need soy sauce, half the juice from a lime, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, so we have the brown Swerve for that, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, salt. It calls for kosher salt, but we're going to use the pink Himalayan, and it also calls for black pepper, which we have right here. Black pepper, sirloin, thinly sliced, we have here, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Of course, we don't use vegetable oil in keto land, so we're going to use avocado oil. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, and what I'll do is I'll do this off camera. We're going to combine, and then we'll need a pound of broccoli florets. You can also use sesame seed if you want to use it as a garnish, but I am passing on that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ziplock bag, and I'm going to combine 1/3 cup of soy sauce, the juice from the lime, 1 tablespoon of brown Swerve, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm going to combine it in here, and I'm going to add the steak. And we'll let this marinate for 20 to 30 minutes before we start cooking. Okay, so let's do that right now. Here is 1/3 cup amino acids and the lime. You only need juice from half of the lime, not the whole lime. Cut this in half. We're going to give it a squeeze from salt and pepper it. I'm going to do about 8 turns. And about 10 turns of the pepper. Dropping everything in here. And then we'll add 1 pound of meat. This is 2 pounds. I'm going to add half this back. also gonna use the other half to make something else. And it's already been sliced for me. So all I do is just add it to the bag. What you do, once you get everything in, you just squeeze the bag. Everything can get all up in there. All the meat can get coated. And then we'll sit it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay? We'll be back. Okay guys, so welcome back. What I did was I took 2 tablespoons of avocado oil over medium heat, and I'm going to sear the meat on each side for 2 minutes. Smells good. It smells delicious. So this is my first batch. I'll do my second batch so that all of it is seared properly. I don't want to pile the meat on top of each other. And once it is finished, then we'll move on with our next steps. And you'll need the other ingredients. I don't think in the beginning I mentioned garlic. You'll need 3 cloves of minced garlic. That's going to be next. After I finish this meat and take it out, we will add 3 cloves of minced garlic into the pan. Alright, so let me finish this and I'll be right back. Okay, we have all the meat seared. I'm going to add in the garlic. I'm only going to cook this for about a minute. There we go. Just cook it till you get that aroma. Once you get that aroma, you go ahead, add the other tablespoon of cornstarch. Well coated. Then we're going to go in with 1/3 cup of beef broth. Then we're going to use the remaining 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar, the brown Swerve, ready, in our case. And your remaining 1/3 cup of amino or soy sauce. If you choose to use soy sauce. Also can add some sriracha, 2 tablespoons of sriracha if you want it spicy. And you'll bring this mixture to a boil. Got a nice simmer going on, so now I'm going to go in with the broccoli. Use a bag and a half. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes and then we'll add the meat and cook for another 5 minutes and it should be done. And here you go guys, the finished product. Beef broccoli. I'm going to add this over some cauliflower rice that I have cooking right now. And that is going to be lunch. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share it with a friend. Until next time, peace, love, and soul.